Welcome to Itz Sirap. We are back with another model from the bridal fashion show. This one was super cute as well, as they all were. Beautiful skin. These models were gorgeous, okay? I didn't have to do all this crazy correcting and all these stuff. These girls were just gorgeous. That's just the only word. So this beauty had some of her own products as well. So she had this foundation. It was, I did not catch the name of it, but I basically used the little sponge that it came with to apply it, and then I kind of just, you know, blended that out with my kabuki brush, or maybe with a brush that she brought. She had a lot of, like, she kind of brought like a lot of stuff with her, which is great. I do not mind using your own products on you. If you have a color that you just want to be, then I will sure use it, okay? And I've done other, you know, fashion shows where they had their own foundation, and typically they ask them to bring their own foundation. Of course, I come prepared with all of my Mary Kay shades and stuff anyway, because some people, you know, don't bring their own shade. And whenever somebody does not have their own shade, I go through the steps to match them and all of that, which it doesn't take too long. But I mean, if they already have a foundation that they want to use, then hey, it kind of, you know, speeds up everything. Here I have the concealer on her face, and I'm going in on her brows a little bit. Her brows were kind of sparse at the end, so I wanted to get a little product there so I can kind of, you know, see where the look was going. And this product was hers as well. It had like a auto liner on one side and a spoolie on the other side, so that was great. And this is her brush. I went in and blended as much as I could with this brush. And when you're doing people makeup, you have to give them direction. You have to tell them, you know, hold your mouth like this, hold your face up, you know, whatever your thing is. If you want them to smile while you put blush on them, you know, say that. You don't have to, I mean, you can't really expect them to know, I guess. I don't know, but I just like to communicate and, you know, kind of tell them what's going on through the process. I had some gum, and I guess that gum was so good because I am chewing so hard on it. She was just asking the girls if they had their foundation and everything. But by the time y'all see this video, y'all probably already have seen me do some of their makeup. So I do carry all complexions and all that. So, and on my table, like I said in another video, I had set up as a vendor, but they asked me to do makeup, and because I'm always prepared, woot woot, I said, let's do it, you know? Great opportunity, let's get in there, let's do these faces. I am setting her face with some banana powder, I believe, and I have like a really light one and like a medium shade you know, setting powder. So that's what I just did, and now I'm going in with her eyeshadow. Same rules apply, you know, keeping it light under the brow bone, then getting, you know, a nice brown in the crease, dark on the outer corner, and then something on that lid to pop it. Okay, so what I was saying was, on my table I had my little, you know, makeup portfolio with all of the faces and clients, like different looks that I've done on myself, and you know, all that kind of stuff. And a lot of people were so amazed to see, you know, a lot of different skin complexions. And for me personally, I just felt like if I'm going to be a makeup artist, I can't only do one complexion. I need to be able to do any and everybody. So that's just where I'm at. So if you out there, you a makeup artist, you got to, I mean, you just got to do the thing, you know what I'm saying? You got to be able to do fair, medium, dark, everybody. You need to be able to color correct. You need to be able to highlight, contour, all of that. I just feel like we are beyond just putting one color, you know, one foundation on and going. I feel like our face is 3D. We have dimensions to us. We have to highlight and contour. It's a must. It's just a must to me. So that's just my opinion. I mean, hey. So for the brows, I went in with more of that product after I finished her foundation and everything. And I don't know if I told y'all this in the previous videos. This is why I like this. I get to tell y'all all my little secrets. So the reason why I spray the face, why I sprayed her face right then, is to kind of dampen the brows a little bit, so that it will kind of help me run that product through. And another thing that I do that I don't think I told y'all in the other videos, I like to set their face before I apply the liner and the mascara, because I find that when I you know, spray it after the liner and the mascara, on some people the mascara or the liner will kind of transfer. So that's a little tip for y'all. So for this beauty, I did go in and actually cut the crease with the same product that I highlighted her with. I cut her crease with that. So that's something different that I did on her. So I applied that product and kind of, you know, diffused it out a little bit. Then I put some eyeshadow on top of that. Then I went in with a darker shade in the outer V to, you know, darken up that area. Y'all know that's how I like to do it. Y'all see me lifting up that lid to kind of get that blend properly. I'm trying to think if I added glitter on her. I can't remember. I didn't do glitter on all of them. We were really pressed for time, and I had to get all of the models done so that they can go out and get into their dresses and all of that good stuff. So here I am lining the lips. And I apply a gloss to her as well. And these are disposable lip wands. Like I told y'all, I try to do as much disposable as possible. Like mascara wands, lip wands, all of that. If it's not their own mascara, their own lip gloss, lipstick, or anything like that, no. I'm going to put the product on my little tray, and then I'm going to dip into that with the disposable wand. So this was her look. Beautiful, flawless, super cute. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you thumbs up the video, make sure that you comment, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss one single upload. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.